Hello, dear friends. How are you doing? I'm your Japan side speaking. Today I'm at Tokyo Mobility Show, which is Tokyo Motor Show. I will show you a lot of new model cars and concept cars in Tokyo. So let's go and let's explore. మన నిస్సాన్ కౌంటర్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చా అనమాట. We came to the Nissan counter. See, this is a race car, and slowly we will move to different places. This one is a BMW hydrogen fuel cell car. See how beautiful it is. Full glass BMW. Wow. Another BMW looks so beautiful. This one is Mitsubishi. See, a Mitsubishi. This is the Outlander PHEV. Looks very cute, very nice. These are all Mitsubishi cars. You see the axle, this is one side up and one side down, but car is the same. It doesn't look it's going up or down. You see the angle. So whichever angle you go, this car will maintain the same stability, same balance. One side up, one side down. You see this gap? This is a BYD Auto 3. This is BYD Auto Seal. Looks very cute, very nice. Inside it looks really nice. It's a different color BYD Auto G. Wow. This looks very nice. This is called Yang Wang. It's another Chinese car. But it looks so beautiful. Yang Wang. This is the Lexus RZ. See the steering and info entertainment. This is also Lexus. This is Lexus. With a cycle carrier. Let's go to Kawasaki bikes. చూడండి ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందో, హౌ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్. Is a Kawasaki vehicle. I can't understand for what purpose they use. ఏదో హాలీవుడ్ మూవీలో ఫైటింగ్ సీన్లో వాడే వెహికల్ లాగా ఉంది. Looks each bike is like 5 million yen, roughly 36 lakhs. ఒక్కో బైక్ 36 లక్షలు అంట ఇది. So now we are going to drone. Honda also makes jets and very lightweight, highly fuel efficient jets. Wow. See the Honda jet. See the Honda jet. Looks like a 6-seater.